This question on the surface, when you look at it, looks pretty challenging. There's a lot going on here, a lot of numbers, a lot of variables and letters, and then you look at the answers and they look pretty confusing. But if you just slow down and take it piece by piece, it's really not too bad. So let's start with the first part, which I think is the easiest part, which is really this first sentence. So it says Bashir has $3,410 to invest in two different investment accounts, account A and account B. The accounts earn simple interest for 1 year. So that's important. Simple interest, and the fact that it's 1 year makes this a lot easier. So for simple interest, all you're doing is multiplying the percentage times how much is in the account. And then you're multiplying that by the number of years, but in this case, it's just one. So it's made our life a little bit easier. Now it says Bashir puts X dollars in account A and Y dollars in account B. He has $3,410, so we know that the total in account A and in account B will add up to $3,410. So if I come down and look at my answers, A says X plus Y equals 3,410. Yep. B has the same thing, but then C and D have something else. X plus Y is greater than or equal to 196. That doesn't make any sense. X is just the amount of money in account A. Y is the amount of money in account B. So our answer is A or B. So we've already eliminated two of the possible answers. That's pretty good. Now we get to the next part. It says account A earns 6% interest. Account B earns 2% interest. And he wants to earn at least $196 in interest. So if you take account A, which is X, and multiply it by 0.06, how did I get that? Well, 6%, if you divide that by 100, is equal to 0.06. And when you're finding a percentage of a number, that's what you want to do, is divide the percent by 100 and then multiply it by that. And then the 2% likewise would just be 0.02. So I said you could divide by 100 to get that, or you could just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So account A, if you want to find out how much interest he earned in that, you would take X, which is the amount in account A, and you would multiply that times the 0.06. So let me just put that over there. Let me get rid of this X here. And then for account B, the Y account, we would just multiply that by Y. So that tells you how much interest you earn in each of those. And we know that he wants to earn at least $196 in interest. At least means that much or more. So greater than or less than, greater than or equal to 196. And that total comes from adding these two together. So you would take the 0.06 times X plus the 0.02 times Y, and that total has to be greater than 196. And so we can see that that gives us answer B. Now, if you look at answer A, it's basically the same thing, but they have the percentages on the wrong accounts. In answer A, they put the 2% on account A, and they put the 6% on account B or account Y. Okay, so hopefully that made that a little simpler. When you get a question like this, I suggest you skip it and come back to it when you have more time and just slowly work your way through it and let the answers guide you. So keep up the hard work and you will master the math.